best and most trusted service for your diesel truck, as well as gas pickup. Our customers know what even their trucks know. Head for Dynamic Diesel, conveniently located at Gregg and Kleppe. Our huge state-of-the-art headquarters can handle over a dozen jobs at once, so we get you in fast and out fast. Unless you find our waiting room a little too, comfortable, we've got the latest technology to ensure perfection for any repair, maintenance, or performance enhancement. But don't take our word for it. Just ask your truck.
Dynamic Diesel.
Dynamic Diesel.